If you create content, run a podcast, teach online, or repurpose videos into blogs, transcripts are literal gold. They help with SEO, support subtitles, and are a lifesaver when it comes to extracting long quotes. YouTube's built-in transcript tool is a bit clunky, so we are going to use an online video editing tool instead. Let's jump in. Alright, so here's how this works step by step. Step 1 is copy the YouTube link. Grab the URL from the search bar or hit the share button under the video and copy the link from there. This works for both full YouTube videos and shorts. If you have the video saved to your device, you can also upload it. But downloading content from URLs is kinda Kapwing's superpower. Step 2, paste into Kapwing. Head to kapwing.com and start a new project. Paste your YouTube link straight into the upload media box here. Step 3 is open the transcript tab. Once the video loads, click on the transcript tab in the left side menu, and then select trim with transcript. Choose the language, making sure it matches the language of the video. Step 4, generate and export. Finally, hit generate transcript, and a few seconds later, a full, accurate, properly punctuated transcript. You can read through it, click on any word to jump to that exact moment in the video, and edit anything that's slightly off, like a brand name or a niche term that stumped the AI. Once your transcript is ready, you can download it as a TXT. But that's not all. Here are 3 bonus tips so you can truly make use of Kapwing's transcript tool. Quick tip. There's this button called Auto Edit under Smart Tools, which you can use to automatically remove every like, and filler word from the transcript. I tested this on a 45-minute podcast episode, and the transcript went from 7,200 words to just under 6,500 words in just one click. Double bonus. Because I'm showing you this from a full video editing studio, you can click this little Add Subtitles tab here and open up a whole new workflow full of possibilities. Now, as a subtitle file, you could convert the text into over 100 different languages using the Translate button, once again in the Smart Tools. And when you're ready, download as an SRT or VTT file, as well as the classic TXT. Final point, there is also a search tool inside Kapwing's transcript editor here. You can use it instantly to find specific quotes buried within the transcript or full sections you want to remove before exporting. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, YouTube has a transcript feature. Technically. But you have to manually select all the text, copy it, and paste it into Google Docs, and when you get there, it's a mess. There's no punctuation, no capitalization, timestamps scattered everywhere. It's technically a transcript, but it's not actually useful. And these YouTube transcripts, they don't appear for YouTube Shorts. So if you want something clean, accurate, and actually useful, you need a proper transcription tool. The link to get started is in the description, so try it out for free today with no downloads needed. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.